Good day everyone. Let's talk about capacity situation relative to demand. So this refers to the relationship between a company's ability to produce goods or services and the actual customer demand for the goods or services. So it's about whether a company has enough resources, factories, staff, equipment para ma-meet ang needs sa customer. So we have here balanced capacity. The company's capacity closely matches the demand. This is ideal, leading to efficient resources use and satisfied customer and a healthy profit. So example, naay bakery nga naay enough nga oven, stuff, and ingredients to produce the number of cakes they receive order for each month. So they are consistently booked but not overwhelmed. So naa sila'y profit og happy pud ang ilahang customer. So this is what we call balanced capacity. And we also have here overcapacity. The company has more capacity than it needs to meet demand. This leads to waste resources, potentially lower prices due to competition, and reduced profitability. Example, nag-invest ta og bag-o nga oven og nag-hire ta og extra baker, anticipating a surge in demand during the holiday season. However, the holiday season turns out to be slower than expected. Karon, kay naaman tay extra oven og baker nga gapundura, so it represents waste resources and reduced profitability. So this is what we called overcapacity situation. We also have here undercapacity. The company's capacity is less than the demand. This leads to lost sale, unmet customer needs, potentially higher prices, and frustrated customer. Example, our cake becomes very popular due to positive words of mouth. So we receive many more cakes orders than we can possibly fulfill with our current resources. We have to turn away customers, leading to lost sale and frustrated customers who may choose a competitor next time. So this is an undercapacity situation. So need nato nga i-expand atong capacity by hiring more staff or renting additional space. And it is crucial for businesses to carefully assess their capacity and forecast demand to avoid both overcapacity and undercapacity, aiming for that optimal balance state.